Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply set a buy order on your Kucoin. Now, first of all, you're going to need an account on Kucoin in order to perform such an action. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to win 3,200 USDT worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts once you register using our link and verify your account. So now once you've logged in with your verified account, your next step will be to head over to the market section, which is down here. With this market section, we can look at what is trending the most, the coins or the coin pairs that are being more profitable or the losses. So now once you've had a quick look on the spot market, your next step then would be to, after deciding the pair you'd like to trade on, would be to head over to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. So now for this video, I'm going to be working with PEEP USDT. So in order to do that, you simply click on this PEEP USDT or whatever is shown at the top of your screen and simply search for PEPE USDT. So now once you've selected PEEP USDT, your next step now would be to transfer your assets from your funding account to your trading account. So as you can see, I've got nothing on my funding, but let's say I want to move my BNB. All I need to do is click on this transfer here, select the BNB, and simply click on all and simply click on confirm. And by doing that, my BNB would be moved over to my trading account. So once you reload, here we go, BNB. So now with the available BNB I've got, my next step again is to head over to the markets. And once there, click on this market option and click on limit. Now, by selecting limit, we're going to be buying the market using the trends, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. And we're going to be buying at the current market price. It's not an instantaneous buy. So all we need to do now is set the price we want to purchase the market at. So let's say 221, and then I want to use 25% of my USDT. So now once market gets up to this 0.1122, as you can see, it's currently at 115. So once it gets to 122, the market is then going to activate the buy order. That's the buy limit order. It's going to be activated. So all you need to do now is simply click on this buy, enter your trading password. And once that's done, okay, and once you've reloaded, head over to the order history. And once at order history, click on this buy. And as you can see, this is the order price. This is the price we ordered 423,000 PEEP for. So you simply head over to the assets menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and scroll from your funding to your trading, make a reload, and boom, here we go. The PEEP has been deposited. We just received the amount we paid for, and that's it. That's how you can set a buy order on Kucoin. So do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of that, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.